Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make dolman sleeves top, and this is one of the easiest and simplest top you can ever make. So this is how it looks like, and you can make a longer sleeves and you can make shorter sleeves, and you can use these sleeves in a dress as well. So let's dive into our video. So I use jacquard jersey fabric. It has slight stretch and some sort of self pattern on this fabric as well. So you can choose a fabric of your choice. I'm using French curve ruler, scissor, measuring tape, and pattern paper I'm using. If you don't have a pattern, you can use your old t-shirt as well. So I'm using 1 meter of this fabric. This is quite wide area fabric. So after folding my fabric, I am using my pattern and I place this pattern on my fabric, folded fabric. I keep some fabric weights on it so my pattern stay in place. And now I am going to do few marking from the waist area. So because from the waist area we will be going to give a shape, and then from the shoulder diagonal straight line if you want to make longer sleeves, and from the base of armhole come down 2 inches and mark it here. So we are going to give a curve from this side. Now I am using my French curve ruler to give a curve. If you don't have a French curve ruler, you can use freehand drawing as well. From the waist marking, you simply have to make a curve. So it is your choice. So if you want a longer sleeve, you can curve it all around. I have that much fabric, so I'm going to make short sleeves, dolman sleeves top. And now for the neck marking, I'm marking 3 inches, or you can use 3.5 inches. Is totally your choice how deeper neck you want. So I'm using my French curve ruler again for giving a shape for the neckline, and that's it. For the drafting is done. Now you can do the fitting according to your choice. And total length of your top, I am using total length 27 inches. So this is totally up to you how long you want your top to be. So I'm using 27 inches and I will cut from there, and then fitting according to my choice, because all you have to have one curved stitching on the side of this dress, and you have to do hemming and neckline, and that's it, your top is done. I have finished cutting, and I'm just making sure the bust measurement is accurate and how much wider I want around the bust area. And if you want a little more tighter, then cut a little bit more according to your choice, or if you want to leave it loose, it's totally up to you. And also make sure your hip measurement is accurate, and if you need to make it more slimmer or not. So I'm just cutting the folded end of the sleeve, and this is how our cut dolman sleeves top looks like. And I'm going to make front of this top deeper. So front neckline will be deeper than the back one. So you can make any design. You can make bow tie knot as well, or just simply leave it if you are making it for the casual wear. So I just make it deeper, 7 inches deep. So this is my front and back. And first of all, I will start by making lining for the front, and I simply fold the fabric, and I will be placing the folded sides, and I will cut the lining for the front. And then after cutting the front lining, it is 1.5 inches wider. So this is a strip for the front, and I will be doing the same for the back side as well. So now I'm going to fix this lining with our top. So I simply placed this lining on the front part of my top. So after stitching, it will be folding outward. So in the same way, I will fix the front part as well, this lining, and then I will take it under the sewing machine. So I have fixed this lining using my overlocker. You can use your sewing machine as well. And now I'm folding it back toward back side and using my pins to fix it. So we will stitch it with a sewing machine afterward. For the time being, I'm just making it fixed with the pins. And this is the front part. And now the front side, I will be using the back part, the right side facing each other. Now I have fixed these front and back parts, and now I'm wrapping back lining toward the front. So in this way, after stitching, our shoulder seams will be really neat and clean. In the same way, other side, and fix it with the pins, and then I'm going to take it under the sewing machine. So I'm just removing extra pins. I have attached neck lining, so now this is how it looks like. Back side will go toward back side. Now you can see the seam is so neat and clean like this, and I'm fixing it with the pins, and I will use my sewing machine to fix the neck lining afterward. And now our neckline is ready, and it is a time for doing our sides of the top. So this curve and these sides, both sides, I'm going to stitch and then hemming. So before taking under sewing machine, if your fabric is a little slippery, so it is a better idea to fix it with the pins so your fabric stay intact. So I have done stitching all around, and after doing that, just take your pins off if you're using pins, and at the base of your top we will be doing hemming. So this is my top looks like. It is simple and easy. 2 main stitches and we done. So you can make sleeves longer or shorter, it's totally up to you. And only hemming part left. I am going to fold it from at the end of the sleeves as well. I will be doing hemming, neck lining and base of the top, and my top is ready. And hope you enjoyed this video. It was a simple and easy top, and people who are beginner, they can easily make this top. And thank you very much for liking, sharing and subscribing my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.